How to resize video in CapCut PC. So for this, open a CapCut in your PC and then select a video. Then tap on this selected video and select the option of video at the top. Now you can just increase the scale, that is literally zooming in and zooming out. But if you want to modify your own scales, you can just go ahead and manage it under uniform scale right here. Now, if you want to change the ratio of your video, so what you can do next is you can just go down from this options and then tap on this audio reframe. Give it a tick. Now from here under reframe, tap on this drop box and select any ratio that you prefer. For an example, you can switch it to 9:16, that is the TikTok version or TikTok ratio, or you can just adjust it according to your requirement. Hopefully this video was informative and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.